Okay, girls. So can you tell me, are you liking the UDAAN project? Yes.
Yes.
All of you are liking UDAAN project?
Yes.
Great. Why are you liking?
I am liking UDAAN because we learn new things about industries. Every week have one new industry like law industry, design industry, manufacturing, technology. We have new industry.
Every day. Okay.
Before UDAAN, now we know so many industry like law industry, designing industry, technology, manufacturing industry. Before UDAAN, we know two industries only, doctor and engineer. Now we know
So many.
industries.
Okay. What is your opinion about UDAAN?
In my opinion, UDAAN is actually a very good initiative and it's very apt for the school because the kind of students we get, I think there are not many children who have educated people at home. So UDAAN gives them a kind of a brief idea that what are the career options are there available. Generally they know only about engineering and medical. So now they know that there are design, there is technology, there is so many other career options like law. So all these are the various career options which they can also choose from. So I think that helps them.
Can you tell me, are you seeing some changes in the students after UDAAN?
Changes are definitely there. I think the way the students think about their career has changed now. So they are also thinking about alternative options rather than sticking themselves to just engineering or teacher role or a doctor role. So I think it gives them a base like what they can do next, and they can actually reflect. They are also actually making connections when they are learning in the class also. So they think back and say, really we learned about this in the UDAAN session and things like that.
How were you feeling before UDAAN, Kunal?
Before UDAAN, I am feeling that I become doctor and engineer only.
Okay, so can you tell me how are you feeling after so many sessions of UDAAN?
I'm feeling very happy and I'm learning so many things. And I know how many years I have to study and I set my career like industry.
Very good. Can you tell me what are different industries we studied in UDAAN?
Law industry, manufacturing industry, design industry and technology that now I
You studied till now. Okay. So now if I ask you a question, what is the name of the degree that we have to take to become a lawyer?
LLB.
So did you know that before?
No.
Okay. And then what is the exam we have to take to enter law college?
CLAT
CLAT exam. So that exam we studied? Great.